Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows edition and signing in. This matters because the store requires a Microsoft account and certain builds. Once you've confirmed Windows 10 or 11, open Settings and run Windows Update. Install pending patches and restart. Then sign in to your Microsoft account in Settings accounts and enable App Installer or related optional features if missing. This prepares the system to accept the store package and avoids later permission blocks or mismatched versions. Now you retrieve and install the store package. If you have an apps or M6 bundle, match it to your OS build. Mismatches cause errors. Open PowerShell as administrator and run AddApps package with the full path, or use Widget to install Microsoft. Windows Store. If the file came from a browser, right-click Properties and unblock before running. This prevents installer blocks. Once done, sign back into your Microsoft account and check the store launches to confirm successful registration and package activation. Finish by validating functionality and fixing common faults. Run WS Reset. EXE to clear cache. If the store still fails, go to Settings Apps Microsoft Store Advanced Options and reset. For deeper issues, run SFC and DISM from an elevated prompt to repair system files, then reinstall the store package. If problems persist, create a new Windows user profile or revert to a recent system restore point. These steps recover corrupted user settings without reinstalling Windows entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.